All right, so we got the kit. This is a kit for 2 systems. We got 2 John Deere 160s, I think, for custom concrete. Anyways, I'm gonna pull out what I need for this one. So set of sensors, got your laser receivers and all that good stuff. Anyways, we're gonna kind of do a video on how this system goes on to kind of update you guys on the newer stuff. I have unpacked the system and get my camera right here. You got these items. You've got a list here telling you everything. You got 2 of everything on this one because of there's 2 systems, two machines we're doing today. Anyways, the first one though, this laser harness. This is the cab screen harness, and this is the chassis harness. You can see it down through here. You've got your LEDs, your mounting screws, stuff like that, ram mount kits, your Midac, your Terra 7 screen. You've got the laser receiver, laser mount, stick it on, zip ties, and your 4 sensors. And you can see we put arrows on them to aim down. So it makes it real simple. It's the quickest way to do it. So what I do is I always take the dipper and put 2 of the, you got 3 daisy chain sensor wires. And I put 2 of them on the dipper sensor before I start, 1 on the main boom. And this, you'll see how I start and why I do that. Dipper sensor, and we get our ether out. Ether's the best. You can use brake clean if you want. But just wipe off an area with the ether. It makes the stickers stick like crazy. So we're gonna mount our laser catcher plate right there. Then we got something to strap the wires to on the way up. And we're gonna mount our dipper sensor right here. And the trick to that is we've got these arrows on here and they aim down. Well, down's towards the bucket on this machine. So it'll sit like that. Best way to put these wires is give them a little extra like that. We always want to put the wires inside or outside if we can of the hose because it flexes too much this way and that way. You can tighten these zip ties as tight as you want. They're small enough we've never had a problem with damaging the wire. So I'll get that done and get back. Get the laser catcher ready. That'll bolt up into here. This is for our LEDs. This is down to the bucket. See, we're just kind of laying it in. Got the sensor mounted, working my way up over here. This is gonna go up to the boom sensor and you can see the laser wire going on back. Harness, we plug the Midac in. We're gonna put it underneath right here, underneath the bottom of this machine. Zip tie it up. And they cut a hole already in the floor so we can bring the cab harness up, different harness. And we're gonna set everything out of it. Because all we need to come out right now is the chassis sensor wire and our power. And we're gonna run our laser wire right here back and through. We're just gonna go through a hole through the side there. Got the laser mounted, getting rid of some of the wires down here. This is our grade white lights. This is the grade green lights. Receiver. We'll tighten all this down. We get it up here so we can turn the bucket. Got the sensor down over there if you can see it. Wire and everything down. You can see the sensor up there. Ran it down through here. Follow these hoses. Once you get close enough to the end there, the hoses don't move. You can see the chassis sensor right here. We'll move this up and down, then tighten the rest of the wires. So I like to leave it a little bit loose until we move it. Well, we got the system mounted in here, and just turn it on to boot it up. It'll tell us any wires broke. Nothing's the matter. Got to do some settings now. Key to this is you can mount most of them right here. On 90% of the machines, believe it or not, it works. The trick is though, saying it works as the window slides by it. That's the most important thing, so you don't have to move the screen every time. Anyways, we're gonna go on the back side, start doing settings, and be done from there.